Hey guys, I got a little side video to share with you. This is the PhotoFold kit from Paragrafix. What this is it's like a little, well, it helps you fold the photo etch pieces. And if you've done photo etch, especially like things like for the Enterprise build, you have the little cargo boxes, you've got the office's lounge, you know, things like that, where you really need to fold in detail. I wasn't going to get this tool because I did the USS Enterprise 1350, the 50th anniversary, the real, well, not the real, the original Enterprise. And I didn't use this. I didn't really need it. But now that I look at the photo etch sets for the refit from Paragrafix, I decided, you know, it's probably a good thing to have. And I figure if you guys were wondering what this was, exactly what this was, as usual, when I show you guys things, I'll put up plenty of pictures. I'll put up the instructions so you guys know what to do, what to expect. And, you know, this is a real useful tool. So, let me show you the actual title. PhotoFold 5-inch Photo Etch Bending Tool. PhotoFold is the easy, affordable photo etch bending tool that is itself made of photo etch. Made from full hard stainless steel, PhotoFold makes short work of even the most finicky folding jobs. Again, everything has to be annealed too. You can't just use this and say, well, you know, I used the photo etch bending tool and it didn't work. All the pieces have to be annealed, which is heated to a certain temperature. Again, I'll put up the instructions and the pictures. Let me take it out and I'll show you guys exactly what it is you're getting. This is stainless steel now, so this is stronger. This isn't made of brass. I believe it's brass that the regular photo etches are made out of. But because it's stainless steel, you probably can't use a razor to get it out. You probably have to use little snips. Show you the instruction sheet. And again, I'll tell you guys how to set it up. So, assembly. Stainless steel is very strong, but it is also brittle. Do not try to unfold any of the pieces after folded or they will break off. So, first thing you guys are going to do is remove the parts from the main fret. Take all the pieces off. Actually, let me pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed all the pieces from the tree. Excuse me, I got no fingernails to try to pick it up. And I used tiny snips. Get it nice and close to the part so there are no nubs. Moving on to step 2, lay the hinge pins of the bending leaf into the holes of the hinge in the barrel. Make sure that you place the folding leaf text side down so that the teeth at the joint between the two pieces line up. You may need to bend the leaf slightly so that teeth slide under the bed. I'll show you the picture. Again, I'll show you pictures of that. So I'll do that right now. Pause the video. You can see I brought the barrels up, the hinge barrels, up a bit. I'm using the needle nose pliers. Next, okay, you're going to take the teeth, how they're going to line up. You're going to put this piece that lines up and you're going to put it into the holes of the hinge barrels. And they're going to fit together. You're going to keep the smooth side up for now. Number 3, rotate the hinge barrels. So I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to bend the hinge barrel up. And I'm going to make a mess of it. Sorry, it's difficult to do this while trying to show the camera. Alright, so you rotate the hinge barrels up and you'll see. Maybe that's a better shot of it. So that the flat side is up. Step 4, fold down the 4 legs on 2 on the bed and 2 on the bending leaf. This provides stable working surfaces while your photo etch is on a flat surface. So you want the flat side is going to be up. So you take the pliers and you put the legs down. Just remember, the legs will go down in the opposite direction that the hinges are. You can see it'll go onto the table or your working surface. And it's ready to use. Step 5 is fold the catches on the die. Catches stabilize the die when mounting it to the folding leaf side, so that to slip outside the bed when mounted from the side. So the tips, you can see the hinge. So take the needle nose pliers and slightly give it a little turn. I don't know if you can see that. And it's ready to go. And when you want to fold something, you'll take the die and you slide it into the hinge cover like that, and then you can see you can bend the tool. And it's all set up. It's kind of like set up like a brake. And like I said, I wasn't going to get one of these, but after seeing all the photo etch and all the bends and the little crates and everything, I figured, you know, it's probably a good idea to get one. And that's how you set it up. And when you want to use it, you slide the photo etch piece in beneath the die that you want to bend, and then you just bend it. If there are different sizes that you need to bend, you can put it in this way, and then you can just do those parts. Anyway, this is the Paragrafix photo etch bending tool, and I figure I wasn't going to make a video about this, but I figured there might be some people out there that are curious to see what's involved with it. How do you put it together, and what do you get with it? So that being said, that's how the photo etch tool is set up and ready to work. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you.